first what we're making today is our beef birria pizza. So we are doing the viral TikTok video. We're trying to replicate that pizza and we want to see how it tastes. So we're going to try it out as well. So what we'll be doing is I'm going to put this beef birria in the microwave and let that get going. Now we have our birria in the microwave, and we're going to go ahead and start dicing up some onions. So the recipe calls for the birria taco packet that I just showed you, the microwave packet. You'll use this Trader Joe's pizza crust. We're going to use this citrusy garlic seasoning, and then we've got our olive oil that will be kind of that we'll put on the pizza crust. So right now I'm just chopping up my onions, and we're using red onions. And I believe that should be enough, hopefully. Let's see, maybe we'll cut up just a few more to be on the safe side, because I love onions, and so I want to be sure that there's enough onions. I'd rather have too many than not enough. Okay. And so I'm really excited to try this, because the couple of videos that I've seen, it seems that people think it tastes really good, so I'm excited. I know that birria is real popular right now. So I love it as well, so that's why I was kind of intrigued as most, I'm sure, to try it, because if you like the birria tacos, of course, you know, why not try it this way. Okay, now this is off the beaten path just a little bit. I have a jalapeno here, and I'm just gonna chop it a little bit. To kind of I can sprinkle on. I'm gonna just probably put this on part of it, so that I can say that I tasted it the original way it was made, but I do want a few jalapenos on there. All right, so we got everything cut up. I'm gonna kind of tidy this up a little bit, and then we'll come back and I will show you how we start assembling the pizza. All right, so I'll be back in just a moment. I have veggies, fresh vegetables that I have to use up, so that's kind of where you may see me adding something to a recipe that wouldn't traditionally go in that recipe. So I guess that's kind of why I'm using the jalapenos today. I bought jalapenos, I need to use them, so why not? All right, so there's our onions and jalapenos. Let's get this pizza crust. Okay, so this is how the pizza crust looks. Okay, and now you're supposed to put olive oil over the top and the bottom. I'm so hungry. I bought this yesterday, which was Saturday, and my intention was to do the video and of course eat the pizza yesterday, but I got so into doing other things that I didn't feel like doing it, so that's why we are doing it today. Now let's go ahead and put our citrusy garlic on here. I'm gonna put a nice little bit on here too, because your girl want to be able to taste it now. Okay, oh, I forgot a cheese. Okay, so now, do I put the cheese and then the toppings? Yeah, okay, hold on. Let me grab the cheese then. Okay, so I got the mozzarella cheese, the organic. All right, so let's put some cheese. And the Birria really is just it's cooked the time that it said. I'm just giving it a little more time because I didn't feel like it was quite warm enough. Even though it's getting ready to go in the oven, I still would rather it be cooked from that process pretty good before I put it on the pizza. Alright, so we're gonna put the cheesy cheese. I love pizzas, if you guys don't know. I absolutely love me a good pizza. I make vegan pizzas, veggie pizzas, you know, I do it however. I just love pizzas. So I switch up like this. I typically don't make pizzas with meat on it, but this sounded interesting, so I wanted to try it. But yeah, typically I'm making a veggie pizza. Most commonly. Alright, I think that's good on the cheese. Now, let's put down the onions. I'm so excited to try this pizza. I'm just afraid I'm gonna get hooked on it and be wanting it all the time. Oh. Or maybe I can figure out a way to make it without having to use the meat all the time. I mean, I guess you could just do it this and just make some sauce or whatever. Okay, does that look like enough onions? I think so. What you think? I think that's pretty good. I do want to have some type of vegetable, which I know there's some veggies cooked inside of that Birria anyway. Okay, so there we go. We got our onions. Now what? Now what? Let's put some jalapenos. And I'm thinking that I'm going to, I might make 2 pizzas. Only because I don't think that crust is going to last too well. Now that I've opened it. And I don't want to try to have to figure out how to store it because I have no idea. And you don't want to bend it, so we'll probably end up making 2 pizzas. All right, let's see if we have some cilantro left in here, and we do. So we're gonna put some of that on here as well, and I'm just gonna kind of break it up and put it on here. That's because you can't have a Birria without cilantro. Now, the star of the show. We're gonna put everything up first. I'm gonna put this stuff up, this miscellaneous items away, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll do the star of the show. So here's the birria. It just looks like meat, like roast or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of break it up a little bit. I guess I should taste it before I put it on the pizza, huh? Alright, we'll taste it once I get it separated. Let's taste it and see if we like the flavor. That would be important, huh? Alright, let's taste it and see what we're working with. That's good. That's good. Okay. Let's put the meat on here. I may have to add some more cheese. This meat didn't break up. All of it didn't break up quite as well as I'd like. I don't want to bite into any big chunk of meat. I just don't want to. So we're going to kind of break ours up a little bit as we spread it. And I guess I was supposed to maybe put the sauce down on the bottom, but I didn't. But it's getting on there anyway. I don't think it really matters, but I guess I could have put some of the sauce down first. Okay, how are we looking? I think that's probably about enough meat. Yeah, I think that's enough meat. Okay, we're going to take some juice. Some of the au jus. And we're just going to sprinkle that over the top so that it gets down onto that crust. This looks like it's going to be really good. It smells good. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm so excited to try it, guys. Okay, that's probably too much sauce. Okay. All right, stop, girl, stop. Okay, let's get some more cheese. Come over here. Clearing my throat a little bit. I hope I didn't make it too spicy by adding that those jalapenos, which I didn't have any seeds on that portion that I put on there, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. And then you're supposed to save some of the sauce to dip your pizza in. So of course we've got plenty of sauce left. Okie dokie, guys. It is time to go in the oven. I already have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And now I'm just gonna slide this pizza onto my round pizza stone. I don't have a rectangular shaped one. But we're gonna have to make it do what it do. Alright, so there we go, onto the pizza stone. Alright, so here is our birria pizza before going into the oven. Alright, so let's put it in the oven. Okay, so we put her down in the oven and we'll give it about 10 minutes, I guess. Alright guys, this is our pizza fresh out of the oven. So this is the birria pizza once it's all done. I'll give you a close-up. It looks amazing. Oh, it looks really good, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. Ooh, that looks good, good. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. All right, so we'll get ready for the taste test in just a second. All right, well, a few minutes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut our pizza. Okay, let's just go ahead and get a piece. Piece. And let's do a taste test. Okay. All right, so let's taste it and see what we're working with. It is good. It's very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. This is very good. All right, I'll catch you guys later. I'm about to chillax and eat this pizza. All right, see y'all later. Oh, you can also dip it, dippy dip in the sauce. Yeah. I'm gonna go so I can eat this. I would definitely say, if you like pizza, give this a try. It is an excellent idea for a pizza. All right, hope you guys enjoy it. You see, I'm looking a hot mess trying to do all the self-care for the start of the work week. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.